Today we're taking a brief look behind the scenes at the handcrafted joiner work on an Alerion Yachts 33. It all begins with the selection of the finest grain teak and cherry woods from around the world. In keeping with the classic yacht building tradition, each Alerion is beautifully appointed with wood accents, expertly fabricated and installed by experienced craftsmen. A good example is the helm and cockpit of the Alerion 33, with a 36-inch stainless and teak wheel, cup holders, teak decking, and elegant cockpit combing. Each item is meticulously finished and then fitted. Here we see work on the door to the forepeak. Since the fit for every boat is unique, it takes real talent to build and install all the cabinets, frames, and doors to perfection. No matter the item, they all receive the same care. Here we see the companionway lower step, made from a solid teak frame and utilizing biaxial engineered plyboard with an exhibition-grade teak veneer. Everyone loves a teak deck, and the team at Alerion produces superb results. Here we see the start of the process, which is the dry fitting. Once all the pieces are cut, shaped, and put into place, they're then removed for permanent installation. Inspired by the classic Airship design, an Alerion is more than an elegant day-sailing yacht. Everywhere you look is beauty, style, and function. Below decks are inviting and relaxing. From the teak and holly soles, fiddles, and bulkhead paneling to the grab and tow rails on the deck, it's pure and nautical. It's important to point out that all the wood on board an Alerion is finished in many layers of the no-maintenance, all-grip, all-wood clear coat. That means no varnishing year after year. We hope you've enjoyed this look behind the scenes at Alerion Yachts.